What's up, guys? Today I'm going to try to help you make your own FlipGrid in just few steps. Alright, so let's begin. So as you can see, I'm sharing my screen right now using my phone. So I'm going to head directly to the app FlipGrid and enter our code, which is XUJHS Flex Learning. After this, I'm going to press the blue arrow and it will automatically load. And there you have it. That's the second step. So you will see that we are already inside the grid. And now I'm going to choose to log in with Microsoft. So by the way, we will be using our Microsoft 365 account. And so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, I'm actually being redirected to register my account and key in my password. So here it is. So since I actually allowed my gadget to store my password, so it's going just like, right, and it will automatically register me there. So now that we have already logged in using our Microsoft 365, right now we are actually looking at the actual dashboard of this particular grid. So the grid is XUJHS distance learning, hashtag we learn as one. So what do we see right here? So you will see that there is one topic called hashtag my color, my mood in easy level. And we can also see the prompt, which is also known as the instruction. And then there is a tip. And then also there are actually responses we can check out with or are actually done with our by our colleagues, by the way. Now, if you are ready, you can actually just press that green button below. But before we do that, let's explore more. So, is there only one choice for me to do for this particular grid? The answer is no, because we have prepared three choices for you. So, where do we see or where do we actually check out those choices? So we just have to press the arrow black there, the arrow down black arrow. So if you're going to press that, it will reveal the two other choices. So you will also notice their levels are also indicated. For example, for moderate, the topic is hashtag living with pandemic. And for the advanced, we have hashtag promote XUJHS flexible learning. So we're gonna go ahead and check on them. Right, this is the moderate. So this is the instruction of the prompt, and then you will also see the responses. And then let's check out the advanced level. So it's the same thing, only different challenge to take. All right, so for the purpose of presentation, we will be choosing the easy level. All right, so here is the topic. So before we start, probably the best thing to do is to really read carefully the instruction and allow me to read that. Easy level challenge. In not more than 1 minute, share how to the color of your shirt or blouse tells something about your mood today. You can be creative. You may have it as a selfie with caption or short video. So if you're ready, then tap the green plus that you can find just below there, and then open the FlipGrid camera. Then record a short video or the snapshot or the selfie with a caption. Now, you must show what you got. Now, there is a tip there. Share the coincidence, how colors can tell about our moods. So, if you're ready, I'm also ready. I'm going to now press the green button right here. There, you can see me using my camera. Right, so before we start, there are actually options we can choose from. The first one is the filter. The second one is the text. Third one, emoji. Right, I can choose from there. Variety of choice. And then I can also make some lines using this option. And then I can also make some changes in color palettes. Or I can simply just download pictures or video from my gallery. So for the purpose of presentation, we will be using some of them. All right. So I decided to have some text right here and say orange. Okay. And then I'm gonna hit the done, and then I will have to drag this and enlarge and put it somewhere here. Right. So I am going to choose also or put something in here which is an emoji of orange. So which one is better? Right. Okay. So this one. Okay, so I'm going to adjust the size and place it right there. Right, see? So by the way, what do we actually what can we see with the three dots right there? So let's check it out. It means that you can actually add video clip or record without audio. So it's up to you. At this point in time, I would like to make it video and audio. So if you're ready also, I am ready to start to make another grid. Okay, so I'm going to hit this camera, red camera icon. Right. Hi guys. Today I'm wearing an orange or orangey shirt because I feel energetic. What about you? All right, if you're done, you can actually just press the pause button. You can review your work here, and then once you're satisfied, you can go back and press green arrow. Okay? Now, the next step is to take a selfie because this will be used as our thumbnail in our actual grid or picture or video. So, we're going to go ahead and take a picture. Right. So if you're actually good with that, then stay at as is. Or if you wanted to do it again, here, there. And then you can still choose to put some of the icons if you decide to put some. And then some text. There you have it. If you're satisfied, then just press again the green button. There. Just very few steps to make it all final. So I'm going to change that name to Don and add a title. So I'm going to put there orange is the new black. You can be very creative at this. Then you can attach link or you just have to leave it blank. If you're good with that, then you can already hit submit video. Congratulations. If we see this one, this part in here, that means to say that we are successful, right? So you can either decide to share the video, download the video, or just return back to the grid. So I decided to go back to the grid, and here we are. We can see the work that we had. This one. Okay, let me show that to you. All right. So there, you can see the output. Okay, so I think that's all that I wanted to share to you today. I hope you learned something. Bye for now. See you around.